All right, here's a video for the topic 2 review for summer school part 2. Let's see here. They're using the labeled point. They give us a point and they're showing us the slope on the line. So we can write this in point slope form, which is right here. So let's see, the y coordinate is 3. So it's y minus 3. And it looks like the slope is down 3 over 1. So the slope is down 3 over 1. So our slope is negative 3. So we're going to put negative 3 right there for the slope. And then x minus, what's our x coordinate? Negative 3. Oh my gosh, 3 is everywhere. I'm trying to do that to confuse you. Subtracting a negative, so this is negative 3 times x plus 3. And then we want us to write it in point slope form, which is right there. All right, let's go on to the next question. A lot of point slope and slope intercept and transferring back and forth on this one. Same thing we did on the first, I think the second slide on the first video. We're going to calculate this slope, put it in this form, and then transform it to this form. Okay, so first of all, the slope of these 2 points, again, it doesn't matter which point you choose as first or second point, just be consistent. So let's see, y2 is right there. So 2 minus y1 is right there, 5. x2 is right there. So that's 6 minus excuse me, 6 minus a negative 3. Okay, so 2 minus 5 is negative 3. And 6 minus a negative 3 is going to be 9. So negative 3 over 9 is the slope is negative 1/3. All right, let's use that. Let's plug it into point slope form. I like positive numbers. It makes my life easier. So let's use that one. So y minus the y coordinate is 2 equals the slope of negative 1/3. And then x minus the x coordinate is 6. And now we have to actually distribute and transform this. So y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 x, that times that. And then 1/3 times 6, 1/3 times 6 is going to be 2. But it's negative times a negative, so it's going to be positive 2. And then let's see, we got to transform again, bring this constant over to the right side by adding 2 to both sides. So it's going to be y, these cancel, equals negative 1/3 x plus 4. That's your point slope and then slope intercept. Okay, 2 more slides for this video. Let's see if we can graph using intercepts. Remember, intercepts is when the form is the standard form, or the equation is in standard form like this right here. So all we have to do is remember the basis of using intercepts is it's intercepting somewhere on one of the axes. That means on the axes, the other coordinate is 0. So if I want to find the x-intercept, I want to find the x-intercept here, that means my y-coordinate, every point on this line, the y-coordinate is 0. So it cancels out. So we have negative x equals 4. Well, that's easy. So that point, let's use a different color. That point is going to be right there. And let's do the same thing. Every point on this y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0, so it cancels out. So we're left with 2y equals 4. Solve for y real quick, so y equals 2. The point is right there, and you would draw your line. That's how you graph using intercepts. Graphing using intercepts sometimes is easier, especially it's in this form, and it's usually a lot quicker and easier to solve. All right, one more question. Let's see, a real life situation, they're trying to get you to model an equation. Bunch of words here, and it says it defines some of it for you. You might have to do this on the test, define your own variable and what it means. So X is the number of $20 gift cards, so the price I spent is 20 times X. Y is the number of $30 gift cards, so the price I spent is 30 times Y. And I spent $560, so that's going to go right there. I think after that quick explanation, you guys should be able to pick out that answer. All right, that's it for this part of the video. Video number 3 coming up soon.